Hi, Millie. How are you? You're having a great day in the sun? I know, you love the sun so much. It's your favorite time of the day, golden hour. Golden hour. Yay. Remy, are you excited? Oh, okay. Are, are you excited for golden hour? Are you? Okay. I didn't know that's how you felt. Really? What about sunset? Are you excited for sunset? It's gonna be nice and orange. Are you happy? Is that a yes? Okay. You like Franklin? Do you like Franklin? You love Franklin. So talkative, Millie. Oh, really? Hey, Millie. How are you? You having fun with your brother? Oh, why don't you go and give your brother a kiss? Give him a nice kiss on the face. Don't you want to give him a nice kiss? Why not? He's your brother, for crying out loud. Hello, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, Millie.